Ram children, welcome to all in your online classes. Children, I hope you all are good at your home. Children, in my previous video, we have learned chapter number 3, log on to Access. Today, we are going to start chapter number 4, working with tables. Children, a table is a database object that contains the basic information you wish to store. It consists of rows and columns. It is used to store information in an organized way. Clear? Children, in MS Access, a table can have maximum 255 columns with unlimited rows. You cannot have two tables with the same name in a database. Clear? Next is, children, in this chapter we will cover these topics. Number 1, opening an existing database. Next is editing records in a table. Then hiding columns, and after that unhide the hidden columns. Next is freeze columns, and after that unfreeze the columns. And lastly, how to insert field in a table and deleting a field in a table. Clear? Now children, first of all, we will see how to open an existing database. Children, here first of all click on the Office button. After that you click on Open option. After selecting the Open option, choose the folder or drive in which your database is saved. And lastly, select the required database and click on Open button. Click. Clear children? Children, look at the screen. This is the screen how to open an existing database. Children, look here, this document. First of all, click here your folder or drive in which your database is saved. After selecting this, it will display all the database. You select your database here and lastly click on this Open button. Your data sheet will open. Clear? Now children, come to the next topic is editing record in a table. Children, use the record navigation button to find record to edit. First of all, click on cell where you want to make changes. After that, a pencil icon appears to indicate the edit mode. Type the information in the field and click outside the record or rows to apply the changes. Okay? Now children, the next topic is hiding columns. To hide the columns, children, MS Access provides a feature using which we can temporarily hide columns. How to hide the columns, children? First of all, right click on the column heading that you want to hide. After selecting the column heading, select hide column option. Okay? After selecting the hide column, select the column, selected column which you want to hide is no more visible. Okay? Is no more visible. Understood? Now children, look at the screen. This is the screen how to hide a column. Children, suppose you want to hide this marks field. Select the field and right click there. These options will come. Here you can see hide columns. You select the hide columns. Okay. After selecting the hide column, this column will hide. This marks column will hide. It will not visible. Okay. Now children, come to the heading. Next topic is unhide the hiding column. Children, the column which you want to hidden earlier can be brought back to the table. Same procedure we will follow. Right click on any column. Heading. Select the unhide column option. Unhide column dialog box will appear. You select unhide column. Select the checkbox and click on close. Children, selected column will again reappear in the table. Okay. Now children, look at the screen. This is the screen how to show the unhidden column. Children, here you see the unhide column. First of all, you select the field which you want to unhide. Click on the column heading. These options will come. Here you select the unhide column. After selecting the unhide column, this field again will reappear. This marks field will reappear as soon as you are selecting unhide column. Clear? Now children, come to the next topic is freeze columns. Children, freezing a column in MS Access refer to make the selected column appear at the leftmost side in a table and make them visible at all time irrespective of the directions you scroll. Understood? Freeze column means the selected column appear at the leftmost side in a table. Clear? Now children, first of all open the table in a datasheet view in which you want to wish to freeze the column. After opening the datasheet, right click on the column heading which you want to freeze. After right clicking on column heading, some option will come. In these options you have to select freeze column option. After selecting the freeze column, the selected column is shifted to the extreme left of the table. Understood? Now children, look at the screen. Here we can see how to freeze the column. Here children, this is the section field and we want to freeze this column. This section column we want to freeze. Right click on this field header. As soon as you are right clicking on the header column header, these options will come. Here you select the freeze column. The column is freezed and it will go to the leftmost of the column of the table. This is the freeze table. Understood? Now children, unfreeze. It is just opposite of freeze. Same procedure we will follow. Right click on the column heading. Some option will come. In that options you have to select unfreeze all columns option. Now you can move the columns from one place to another in a table. Clear? Children, you can see the screen how to unfreeze the field. Children, this is the freeze column and we want to unfreeze this column. right click here on the section freeze column. As soon as you are right clicking on this column, some options will come. Here you select unfreeze column. Yet this column is unfreezed. Understood? Now children, next topic is how to insert the field in a table. Children, to insert a new column in a table, place the cursor on the column heading on the left of which you want to add a new column. Click on Insert button in the field column group of the datasheet. Column will be inserted to the left of the selected column. Now children, look at the screen. Inserting a new field. Children, how to insert a new field? First of all, children, select the field. Select this field header and keep your cursor here and go to this field and column group of datasheet tab. Here 3 buttons are there: insert, delete and rename. You want to insert a field, so you click on Insert button after selecting this field. As soon as you are inserting, press on Insert button. This field will inserted before this column field. Understood? Now children, come to the how to delete a field. Children, to delete a column in a table, first of all select the column header that you want to delete. It is same just like how to inserting a field. So children, after selecting the column header, click on Delete button in the field and column group of the datasheet tab. A dialog box appears for the confirmation. Click on Yes button to confirm the deletion. Children, the selected column will be deleted. Clear? Now children, look at the screen. Here this is the screen of showing deleted field. Children, which field you want to delete, you have to select this column. This column header you have to select and go to the field and column group on the datasheet tab. This one. 3 buttons are there: Insert, delete and rename. You have to click on Delete button after selecting this column header. As soon as you are clicking on the Delete button, this field will be deleted. Okay? Now children, we will meet soon in the next video. In the next video, we will study about rename a field, moving a field, moving through records and lookup wizard. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.